Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to walk through how to change name of Coursera certificate. So as you can see, you are acquiring a degree on Coursera or acquiring a course on Coursera, and now you want your degree from this Coursera. So degree mentioned by the name, your real name. So sometimes we need to be change it for any case. So in that case, you need to be click on this profile icon in the top. If you have an account, just click over here. Once you click over here, you will have bunch of options in the pop-up that come up to your desktop, and here you need to be click on setting. Once you click over here, now you can see this is the account form, and this is the bar where we can change, edit our name. So you can see this is our name, and here if you click on save, then it will be saved. Then we have name verification, so you can read it, verify your real name to make sure you are able to receive a certificate when you complete a course of specialization. So you just need to be click here. Once you click over here, they will give you some options. When you complete this process, then you are allowed to get a course or a degree on the specialization with your verified name. I hope you understand how much easy it was. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.